Let me show you how to create the most incredible hot dog stir-fried noodles with that authentic wok flavor right in your own kitchen. This recipe delivers takeout quality results with simple ingredients and zero fuss. Start by mixing the sauce. That's where the magic begins. 2 spoons of soy sauce for saltiness, 1 spoon of oyster sauce for depth, 1 spoon of dark soy for color, 1 spoon of cumin for that smoky aroma, and a touch of seasoning powder to elevate everything. This combination creates layers of flavor that will make your noodles unforgettable. Cook the noodles just until 80% done. That slight firmness is crucial for perfect texture. A quick ice spade stops the cooking process and keeps them springy rather than mushy. Scramble 2 eggs directly in the hot wine, then add diced hot dogs. Watch as they curl and release their smoky goodness. Toast in spinach, onions, and bean sprouts, keeping the heat high to maintain that satisfying crunch. Add the noodles and pour over that incredible sauce. The high heat caramelizes everything while coating each strand perfectly. Finish with fresh garlic and a drizzle of vinegar. That final touch wakes up all the aromas and ties everything together. What you got is pure noodle perfection, springy texture, smoky hot dogs, fluffy eggs, and vegetables with just the right amount of bite. That classic stir-fry aroma will have your neighbors wondering which new restaurant opened nearby.